Hello, it's the 23rd of June 2013 on a lovely, dark, windy, wet, flaming June afternoon. Here's a quick Chilli update. Just have a look up here. This is the sycamore trees at the end of the garden. They're covered in aphids, which is probably why I'm having such a nightmare at the moment with aphids. The battle continues. Right, let's go into the greenhouse. First greenhouse. Plants have got a lot bigger, spreading out, running out of room, same old story. Got lots of various plants in here, a bit difficult to see a lot of them. Some jalapenos here, some orange or peach, I'm not sure, orange I think. Back here, and squeeze through. We have some reapers at the back here, reaper plants growing here. There's a Jay's Ghost Scorpion peach, and as other people have commented, they do look a bit sickly. Whatever I seem to do, I can't get them to look nice and healthy, but I have got some with pods on, so that's alright. Lots of flowers everywhere. Getting a bit of flower drop, but that could be any number of things, including the extremes of temperature that we seem to be getting at the moment. One minute it's sunny, next minute it's cloudy with a lot of wind. Right, what we've got a pod here. Then we have it's a 7-pot but chocolate cross. Another one of them there. So we've got quite a few in here. Various plants, they're all mixed up, haven't really kept any order of which is where. Right, the second greenhouse, it's blowing hooly at the moment. Right, again smaller plants in here. These are all padrons, mostly down here. Had one crop off these already, some more getting bigger. I love those with a little bit of olive oil. What have we got here? Padron primos, so it's got some primos coming in here. Never grown primos before, so we'll see what that happens there. Got some brain strains there. What's that? White fatales in the distance. Not sure what they are, I can't see. It's just a mixed super hot up there, unlabelled. There's a reaper at the back here, if I can get through. We have a reaper. These are reapers, growing on nicely here, various flowers. That's a monster naga. Never grown that before. Some ring of fire there. Jay's Ghost Scorpion with some small chilies growing. Various flowers. Very distinctive plant, the Ghost Scorpion, quite easily identifiable. Past that padron. This is a red Jay's Ghost Scorpion there, pod with more flowers. Butch tea there. Right, that's greenhouse number 2. And here we have the main tunnel. Focus. There you go. Plants on the shelf there, plants on the shelf there, plants on staging there, plants on the floor, staging all the way up, plants under the staging which will be moved soon. But there's plants everywhere. Naga chocolate there, I think that is Naga chocolate, yeah. And the 7-pot times fatale, some pasilla there, Trinity there, and up on the shelf some white butts. Remains to be seen when they ripen whether they stay and go the pure white or whether they ripen through to just that yellow colour you can see on that one, or they turn any other colour. Have to see. Got a cucumber plant here, just or two. Thought I'd grow that along this beam. some cucumbers almost ready to be picked. They're growing quite quickly in here. Moving along. Obviously, where are we? There we have a reaper with a lovely long tail there, just about to turn. Another reaper there, more reapers on here. Another tiddler there. Plenty of flowers on that one. Another reaper at the back. Here's some peach butcherlaceas. Again, not grown that until this year. See what happens with that one. Some more peach butts there. We've got down here 7-pot Congo orange. A couple of ripe pods there. In the background there's a shop bought Medina grafted chili. Seems to be firing out pods nicely. What's this behind here? Change the camera angle. This is a but times closed dragon cross. See what happens with that one, but there's plenty of small green chilies appearing on that. See what happens. Yellow Scotch bonnet here. Red butts. This plant was grown primarily underneath a Budmaster 270 LED grow light that I have in for review, and I've had red pods off this already, plenty more growing. That's done quite well with that. That is an early start. Come around here. What have we got here? This is a red, yellow Scotch bonnet again. Big Scotch bonnets. In fact, one in here, if you can see that. Quite a big one there. Moving on. Trinidad scorpion here. This is an overwintered plant, so there's a couple of pods on that. Moruga scorpion, yellow. Huge great flowers on that. And here we have another reaper. And you see quite a distinctive look to that, all folded in and gnarly, with a tail to sting me. 2 or 3 of those hanging there, more in the background. Lots coming, that should be good. What have we got here? The red brain strain. Should be ready for picking. Some chocolate butcherlaceas. Thought these were red until they started turning brown. So there you go. See what happens with those. Some more in there, quite a lot of those. Going through to a tube of peat nagas. Some more white butts there. Some more red butts. Fatali whites. Quite a few fatalis there. All hanging nicely, ready to ripen. Here's my one fish pepper, just starting to flower. Lovely variegated foliage on that. This is the best of my Jay's Ghost Scorpions. This is a red. There's the biggest pod here. If I can get a focus on that. There you go. All Ghost Scorpion. Jay's Ghost Scorpions there. There's R.E. lemons in the background. That's from an overwintered plant. Here, underneath all this foliage, is my greenhouse sensation quad grow, which I have in for review. So let's take that. You can see quad grow reservoir 1, 2, 3, 4 pots. This has got Caroline Reapers and Jay's Scorpions in it. And it has got very bushy. If you look from here, there's lots of flowers forming, and there are pods forming. Look down here. Difficult to see, it's so many flowers. Looking down there, there's some pods in amongst the flowers, but there's lots of flowers forming. Lovely. label says red 7 pot. I'm not sure if that's right, but they're certainly ripening. And some butts there, again waiting to ripen, looking nice. Looking nice. There you go, shots of all of those. Some more in the background there, I think they're Nagas. Yeah, Nagas in the background. Oh. And a Reaper plant in front of me. More Reapers. Here we have yellow Fatalis. More yellow Fatalis. Another shot of those butts in the background through there. There we go. Plants on the floor. Again, shot under here. Plants in there. They'll all be moved soon and moved around. But at the moment they're getting enough light. Looking up. Some white butts here. Some little 7 pot infinities. Various plants. Oh, here's yellow Fatali, look. Yellow Fatalis. A few of those starting to form. It's a bit of a nightmare filming in here. Here's another supposed Carolina Reaper. But there are some more appearing here, so we'll see what happens with that plant. Naga. Another Naga there. Some Arugas there. And some small Primos in here. Here's another cross, as you can see in there. These a bit difficult to see, but these are Primo Habanero crosses. Quite a few chilies on that. See what they come out as. And again here, same thing. Here we have chili pepper peat Nagas. There, and there. Quite a few. Another one there. This is Trinity variety bred by Sea Spring Seeds. This is, and I got these seeds from a fresh pod at Upton Cheney. This is producing quite a lot of pods. And some nice shaped chilies. Can't remember how hot that is. I don't think it's overly uber hot, but we'll find out. Naga Morage is coming there. And some more Reapers. There's quite a few on here already set. Lots of flowers, bits and pieces. Naga Morage in the back here. Just reach through. Naga Morage, sorry, finger in the way. Some Naga Morage is all twisted and gnarly. Peach butt just about to ripen there. Lots of pods here. What have we got here? Primos down here. So we've got Primo. Some more Reapers. Here we have a 7 pot red and Fatali cross, and this is pretty much set every flower it's fired out. Loads of chilies on that, just hanging off, as you can see. More at the back. They're everywhere on that one, so that's quite a good variety. 7 pot brown, or is it Douglas? 7 pot brown. Loads of chilies on that. If I move that back, you can see they're all set coming up there, 7-pot brown. Some more infinities there. This one, the label hasn't stayed with it. The orange, ripening orange, Moruga, possibly. A few in there. Another one there. And some Nagas there, more Nagas. Naga. Some butts, starting to turn, might be chocolate butt. Again, labels come off, so I'm not sure, but they're either butt or Nagas. There's plenty of them, which is nice. Well ahead of last year. So, there you go. That's the tour so far, as of May the 23rd, 2013. So, let's just have another shot of that. Nice Reaper in focus. Let's head back. Yeah, still trying to control the aphids. I don't think there's been a plant in here that hasn't been affected by aphids, which is annoying. But we'll see what we can do, really. There's just in here. This is a I can get to it. Bubblegum 7-pot. It's got a flower there. It's quite a nice hood forming, so hopefully that will come into a chili and be true to type and have the red stem and cap. That will be good. So, thanks for watching. Sorry about the camera work, but it's a bit tricky to keep it focused in here. Another shot of those chocolate butts. Never grown chocolate butts, so let's see what they taste like. And then one final shot, gratuitous shot of that Carolina Reaper. And there's its two other brothers, all with tails, looking nasty. Right, that's me signing off. Thanks for watching.